Hey everybody, this is Ken. I am back with another accessory. Tlyard sent me this accessory. It's not a lot in here, but the power of it, if it works with my Intel 2021 Model 3, I will be very excited. This accessory is for blind spot monitoring assistance. And as you know, Tesla, they have their own through software on the display. If you turn on your turn signal or anything like that, it will alert you that a car is in your blind spot. And then they also just introduced on the holiday update, if you are in a parking spot and you're backing up, there's a pedestrian walking by or another car, it will alert you as well on your backup camera. The main thing is when I'm driving, especially like on interstate, highway, whatever, and sometimes you don't want to turn on your turn signal and you would like to know if a car is in your blind spot. That's what this little device is about. It looks like I have some cables. I think Tlyard sent me some more cables just to make sure. The pry tool that they send with it, a very small one. This one right here definitely looks like for maybe AMD vehicles. Here is what I'm definitely going to need, and it's a little USB-C slot, as you can see right there. Hopefully you can see that. And this USB-C right here, one goes on one side, one goes on the other side. That circle right there, that is where it will have the LEDs. I'm pretty sure it's this one right here, but I don't know how I'm gonna connect this part to this box, but I'm thinking it's this right here, I think. It won't hurt to just power your car down. Go into the menu, you go into safety, scroll down, and then you'll see power off. Hit that. I'm very happy I did get it to work, but it did not go as planned. Thank God for Tlyard responding back really fast, and I'm glad that they did send me the extra Intel plug that is pretty much standard that you plug into the computer. I was hoping that didn't happen. The only reason why I have this right here is because another company had sent it to me previously, but it didn't work. It does work, and I'll explain why. If you plug this into an Intel car, it will barely fit. It'll fit very loose. And then this part up here, I do have the power source in my Intel car, but I don't think it works. As I explained earlier in the video, this right here is for the USB-C. That is what will power the blind spot. And you just plug it in and then you should be good to go. AMD cars should not take that long. This is for Intel owners and how to figure it out. There is a release for it. You just got to figure it out, but it is made to detach. You can take this part and plug it into the Intel receiver that hopefully Tlyard will send to you. I'll check with them and make sure that the right plug is going out for the right owners, especially if they are Intel. It sucks because Intel owners, once again, we have to get underneath the glove box and find the computer, which I think is like a gray plug. I can't remember. I'll show you a picture of that if you would like to see that, and plug this in. I have not had any issues. It works perfectly. Now, if you want to skip out and you want to say, okay, I'm going to just plug it into the blue plug, you have an Intel computer, and it will work. It will turn on and everything once you hook it up, but the blind monitoring will not work. It needs to be connected to Intel Model 3s and Model Ys computers. Where everything was taken out, I went underneath the dash. Then I ran it all the way to the other side and then put the other one in. The closest blind spot to that is this one right here. Okay, it's the shortest. That goes on the passenger side. The longer one, like this one, which is really long, gives you plenty of room, that goes all the way over here. So keep that in mind, or it will be the total opposite. When you turn on your turn signals, it will be on the opposite of what you instructed it to do. I didn't run it underneath here like I just showed you. I didn't tape this part, but you take the two panels out on each side, and you raise up your panel just a little bit. You don't even have to take it all off, and you can run it underneath there, which is, to me, was a whole lot easier and cleaner. That's it. Let me show you the cool features. So I've had this about 2 weeks. It's working perfectly. I did not get any kind of errors like I did with plugging it into an Intel, the blue plug that we do have on Intel cars. Everything looks good. The first feature, I would say, the turn signals. That's the easiest one. Both of them will come on at the same time. If you click the hazards, and you'll see both are showing green right now on the left and the right, which is cool. So I'll turn that off, and then let's say if I am driving, you turn on your left turn signal indicator, it's showing perfectly. Then if you go to the right, same thing, perfectly nice green LED notification. At night it's not too bright as well, and I like how it reflects on the window, so it's really cool. All right, so let's just say the second feature is the door notifications. So to let you know, one thing I'll tell you is if the car, you have no doors open, anything is turned off, if you do your trunk, it will show a little status notification like orange where it is waking up. It'll do the same thing with the doors, you'll see. Okay, I'm out the car, so you see it is showing that it's charging right now. If I'm on the left side, the driver's side, even the front or the back door, the left LED indicator will turn on. So I just open up the back door as you see on the display. And let's open the front door as well, and it's showing in red. Nice LED red color. Then I'm on the right side, the passenger side. If I open it up, you'll see the right side as well is blinking. So it's letting me know that the door is open and don't forget to close it. But let's just say if I barely, you heard that, I might have thought that it was closed, it's still blinking. So that's awesome. So I just closed it. They're turned off, and if I open the trunk, you'll see there, they do light up showing that they're turning on, but they still won't blink because there are no doors that are open. And when I open the door, of course, they turn on again, and then the left side will start blinking red. Let's go ahead, go on the road. I do have some B-roll footage just to kind of show you. I don't have every scenario. The next thing will be like an orange reddish type warning light, LED light, and it just lets you know that be aware that there's a car in your blind spot. And the next one is the proximity turn alert, which it is if you have your turn signal turned on about to switch a lane and there is a car in your blind spot, it will be a strong red flashing light. And then once they clear, of course, it'll go back to green. You can go to Tlyard's website and pick this up, and it does have the version for AMD or Intel Atom, and it has your car model between the Model 3 and the Model Y, and you can use my discount code, and I'll leave that in the description for you. This Ken, I'll see you in the next video.